Welcome to Paritranaya IAS strategy series. Look at this question of Prelims 2023. So those who are preparing seriously might have already encountered this question and might already know the answer as well. But here the focus is not on the answer, the focus is on the strategy. Hence, watch the video till the end to understand the strategy and gain and clear the examination in the very upcoming attempt. So this is a question pertaining to the president's election. So there are four options. Let us look into each of these options. So the first one is the members nominated to the either House of Parliament or the Legislative Assembly of the States are also eligible to be included in the Electoral College. So we know that Electoral College is the members who can participate in the election of the president. That is, those who will vote in the election of the president. So those who are eligible to vote in the election of the president are elected members of Lok Sabha, elected members of Rajya Sabha, elected members of Legislative Assemblies of States, elected members of the Legislative Assemblies of the Union Territories of Delhi and Puducherry. But nowhere nominated members can participate in the election of the president. So here they have mentioned that nominated members participate. Hence, option number 1 is wrong, because nominated members, they cannot participate in the election of the president. Now coming to the second option, higher the number of elective assembly seats, higher is the value of vote of each MLA of that state. So we know that when it comes to president's election, the MLAs of the states, they participate in the election, they vote in the election. But the MLA's vote value, it changes from state to state. It is not uniform across the country, it changes from state to state. For example, here, the Puducherry MLA value vote is 16 and the Arunachal Pradesh MLA value vote is 8. So how did we come at this value called as 16 and 8? So it is based on a formula. What is that formula? One MLA vote value in presidential election is equal to total population divided by total elected MLAs into 1 by 1000. So in order to calculate the Puducherry MLA's vote value, so we have to take the Puducherry's total population divided by total number of elected MLAs of Puducherry into 1 by 1000. Similarly for Arunachal Pradesh. So when we do this, we will get a value of 16 for Puducherry and a value of 8 for Arunachal Pradesh. Okay? Value of 8 for Arunachal Pradesh. Now coming to option number 2, they say higher the number of elective assembly seats, higher is the value of vote of each MLA of that state. Okay. So it means when the number of MLAs increase, simultaneously the vote value also increases. So let us check whether it is right or wrong with the help of an example. So here I have taken the example of Madhya Pradesh and Kerala. So Kerala, it has totally 140 MLAs and the value of Kerala MLA's vote is 152. Madhya Pradesh has 230 MLAs and value of the vote is 131. So from here what we understand, even though Madhya Pradesh has more number of MLAs compared to Kerala, when it comes to vote value, so Madhya Pradesh MLA's vote value is less compared to that of Kerala MLA's vote value. So from this we conclude that the second statement is wrong, because higher the number of elective assembly seats, higher is the value of vote of each MLA of that state. No, because we saw that in case of Madhya Pradesh, even though the MLAs are more, but the value of Madhya Pradesh MLA vote is less compared to that of Kerala. So second one is false. Now next, third one, explicitly they have asked about Kerala and Madhya Pradesh itself. The value of vote of each MLA of Madhya Pradesh is greater than that of Kerala. So if you look at the Kerala, so vote value is 152 and Madhya Pradesh vote value, MLA's vote value is 131. So as Kerala's vote value is more than that of Madhya Pradesh, third statement is also wrong. Now coming to fourth statement, the value of vote of each MLA of Puducherry, so value is 16, is higher than that of Arunachal Pradesh, that is 8. 16 is greater than 8. So here we completed the first part of the fourth option. The second option says that because the ratio of the total population to total number of elective seats in the Puducherry is greater as compared to Arunachal Pradesh. So here they are expecting us to identify whether the formula which they have given here is correct or no, wrong. So if you look at this, so already I have written the formula here, total population divided by total elected MLAs. So the second part of the question is right and the first part of the question is already right. So from this we understand that fourth option is correct. So among the four options, only one is correct. Hence the How many of the above statements are correct? In this, only one is correct. Only one is correct. Now next, we already got the answer, but next is the logic. Why did they ask about Kerala and Madhya Pradesh? There are close to 28 states in India. They would have asked about some other state. For example, they would have asked about Punjab. They would have asked about Tamil Nadu. They would have asked about Manipur. They would have asked about Rajasthan. They would have asked about Uttar Pradesh. They would have asked about Odisha. But why specifically about the Kerala and Madhya Pradesh? So if we are able to decipher this logic, then our preparation burden will reduce tremendously. Okay, tremendously. In the absence of this strategy, what happens? Our information overburden will increase. Okay, so how it will increase? Let us look into this example. So this is a list of states in the alphabetical order: Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and so on. Okay, and so on. Finally, we have West Bengal, Delhi, and Puducherry. Delhi and Puducherry. Now, in this sequence, generally, when Andhra Pradesh has 175 MLAs, Arunachal Pradesh has 60 MLAs. Okay, 60 MLAs. When the number of MLAs decrease, the vote value also decreases. When the, for example, Assam has 126 MLAs and Bihar has 243 MLAs. So the number of MLAs increase, but similarly, the vote value also increases. Vote value also increases. But while going in this order, somewhere we'll come across where this order is not maintained. What is that? The MLAs will increase, but the vote value will decrease. The number of MLAs from 140 they will increase to 230, but the value of one MLA's vote will decrease from 152 to 131. So in this order, first time it happens for Kerala and Madhya Pradesh. For Kerala and Madhya Pradesh. From Andhra Pradesh to Karnataka, so always what happens, whenever the number of MLAs increase, the value of MLA vote also increases. But for the first time, when it comes from Kerala to Madhya Pradesh, the number of MLAs increase, but the value of the MLA vote, it decreases. It decreases. So this indicates that curiosity. So UPSC, it is not expecting us to retain the information of total elective seats of each and every state, of MLA vote value of each and every state. But what it is expecting is, it's expecting us to have that general curiosity. Okay. So in the sequence, where is the first time we will not find such kind of relationship where the number where the MLAs increase, but the value does not increase, but the value decreases. So first time such encounters happens in with respect to Kerala and Madhya Pradesh. So if we are able to decipher such kind of logic, so then rather than retaining the information for all the states, if we are able to retain information pertaining to just 2 states, then we'll be able to answer this question. And also in this question, you are able to eliminate two options, option number 2 and option number 3. So in this fashion, keeping the exam's demand in mind and having that general curiosity from exam point of view, when we prepare, then the information overburden will be reduced, or confidence will increase, and we'll be able to tackle the questions with full confidence and clear in the very upcoming attempt. So for similar such kind of strategies in the upcoming classes, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon. And if you like the video, share the video as well. Thank you.